Good morning friends, how are you? Watch this video till the end. Today we will learn how to get a Fortinet certificate and training free. First of all, we have to go to this website. In the link of this I will give you in the description of the video. Click in login. After click login, three steps. First is public, partner, employee. Public account is all candidate certificate and training received. Click sign up. After click sign up, type your mail address, your password, first name, last name, company name, no company name, no problem. Give any college name, country, and then click I am not robot and submit these steps. Receive one mail by Fortinet. Please check your mail and click first activation and confirm your account. Now start training and get a certificate. First two training, information security awareness NCE first training, and second NCE2 the evaluation of cyber security. Start your training. Click simple resume and start your training. Is lot of knowledge by Fortinet. The watch video and complete your quiz. After complete your training and quiz, receive your Fortinet certificate. Any free certificate and exam, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.